The only constant thing is change. 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 Pagbabago. Something new, something different. Been hearing it a lot lately. Change. There's a lot of things sa buhay. Personally, I've always been hearing this specific phrase. But it's ironic if you really think about it. I think it's just to prove how much this quote affects us. Not just the quote, but like the essence of what it means. One more thing, I will be moving to a different job. Hold on. That's not the focus of this video. Well, this would be my last week and the last experience that I have with Narasoft, my current company. I will be leaving on the 15th. That is not the focus of this video. The focus of this video is about change, about love. But wait, this isn't a love story. This is a story about love, about how I've loved the work, the people around me while I had my stay in Narasoft. I love the moments, I love every interaction, the memories that I've built. So this vlog is about the love and appreciation of life and how we grow with change. And I will show you guys everything. Let's go.
Lights ko nandito. Sample natin. Hey guys, welcome to my stream.
Yun. Yun o. Nandito na nga po pala kami sa Terminal 3.
So yun, sa Terminal 3, naghahanap kami ng... Ano ba yung hinahanap natin?
Ang tinaguri ang infested. Infested terminal.
Ano masasabi mo sa sa kapeng ininom natin?
Maasim. Kasing asim ng mukha mo pagka may kaaway ka.
Kailangan ba nating ireklamo yung 7-Eleven?
Hindi, 7-Eleven yun.
Ano yun?
Hot coffee and hot.
Ayan o.
Vanilla.
Bye-bye. So yun nga guys, today nasa Cebu tayo. This is a very special day for me kasi this is my last outing with Narasoft, and today I'm doing lots of things. May team building tayo and all, but also may friend akong bibisitahin. Adventure. Tingnan natin. Pero tingnan muna to. Yun.
Ito yung sa competition also.
Hindi, ano to? Para sa YouTube Awards.
Oh.
Sali ka ba sa sa competition?
Yung little keeper. Wala din. Wala akong video ko. Wala ka pag kalaban?
Hindi ako sumali doon. Pang ano ko lang to eh.
Ikaw pa lang yata nag-video eh.
Pang memories lang to eh. Last year kumuha ko eh.
Rin ako para may kalaban. Para may kalaban ka ako. Ibvideo ko kuya.
Video nga rin. Yung nga kasi, dapat pag professional vlogger at gumagano.
Ayaw nga tripod.
So yun nga guys, no? Kaya tayo nagbibideo kasi.
Makakababa lang po namin sa Mactan.
So life update lang, no? Pasok namin ngayon sa bus. Punta kaming resort. Galing airport. Naka wide lens yan eh. May budget kasi tayo guys. Hey guys, dito na lang tayo sa resort. So bye.
One hour later.
So yun nga guys, we are inside the hotel room or resort. Hotel tama. Glenn, tama no? Hotel room. So yun. 2 bedrooms. 2 beds, not 2 bedrooms. Aircon. Si Glenn. Then very large table. And then the best view in the world. I can show you the world. Shining shit. Ito pa nga.
Hawak ang iyong mga kamay.
Yung?
Sinta.
Joke lang. So yun, we just have to rest a few minutes and then we'll go head over back again sa hall to do team building.
Ready? Alright, let's get it on!
Ali. Ali. May?
Sabi yung kumukuha kaso nakakatakot iba yung itsura. Hindi siya yung typical na salt water.
Patay na nga eh, kukunin mo lang.
Ay, okay, natatakot ako. Now or never.
It did.
Buhay! It's alive. Uy, huwag mo hawakan sa spine.
This is Francisco and Carmencita Canyo. Masipag mga higala. And
Ano? Nakawa na?
Yeah. Ooh, thank you.
Yung tubig. Mamot na yan.
I met Ali just late last year during one of our year-end events, and I can say that she's one of the most beautiful persons that I have ever met. She's intentional, she's caring, she's thoughtful, she's fun, and she never backs down on the things that she believes in, and I admire that about her. She's ready to stand up for what she loves, or to be able to do what she loves. And I'm able to say that I was happy to have met her, to have a good friend like her. I've been waiting since morning actually, like after breakfast. I don't know. I was right around the corner waiting for our friend Kin. He's been a long time friend of mine, and today we're gonna meet him in Cebu, hundreds of kilometers away from Manila. It's been like 4 years na, matagal-tagal din. And I'm actually excited to meet him, and I think it's going to be great. It's late in the afternoon. I'm actually quite tired, but I think it's to meet with people you love and respect. I think it's pretty much something that you can't take away from someone. That's something that you should do, and we're doing it tonight. Or today, not tonight. It's still the morning. So.
Hi! Yeah, hello. Tayo. Pre. Mas yan ko.
Hindi namin ni John Sir, tawagan ko daw siya.
Uy! Lapu-lapu!
Ano tayo? 1 kilo or 8 wala eh. Oo, welcome back, no?
Awkward.
Okay.
Sa, dito?
May mga ano to, ano ah.
Okay, dito tayo.
Si Kong. Yan siya. Stained. Ito sa Shopee to last week.
Dito. Dito, guys. Sige lang, no problem. Sarado yung port. Yan yung port, sarado. Yung guard, nagalit sa tropa ko. Teleport mo ba?
Ano?
Teleport yung guard. Yung guard ko. Yung guard ko.
Salamat sa pag-alala.
Ito na natin sige. Ito na natin sige. Maraming salamat po. Ano masabi mo sa trip natin?
Sunburn.